Welcome everybody. This is a nice, easy, gentle walk. It's great to do it any time of the day. So we're just gonna start with walking. Let's just bring the arms overhead for a big stretch and breathe out. Let's just do that one more time. Good, let's bring the shoulders back. And let's just start with a heel touch. So if you find that difficult, you could go with your toes instead, whatever is more comfortable for you. So the exercises will change every 30 seconds, and I'm focusing on just getting some range of motion in with the arms, the shoulders, and trying to get in some different movements with our feet. Everything though is not going to be complicated today. And let's just tap back and bring the arms back. So when you're pressing the hands back, you just want to think about those triceps, the back of your arms. Trying to find that beat. There we go. And let's just bring the arms out to the side, stretching out those arms, and bring the arms forward and stretching back. Let's do that one more time. And then bringing one arm up just to whatever height works for you, and then just stretching in the opposite direction. And last one. And bringing the hands around, so just rotating the wrists. And the other direction. And let's bring those shoulders back. So working on posture a little bit today as well. And then just continuing with that step touch. And let's just bring the arms forward like we're doing breaststroke, and just feeling that stretch within the arms. Last one here. And going into that heel tap again, and just bringing the arms up. This time just flexing those biceps a little bit. So if you need to slow the pace down, that's okay. And let's go back into that step touch, and we're just going to do a single punch. And on the next one, we're going to take 2 steps across and bring our arms back. So let's do that 2 steps, other way, and then working on those arms as well. So flexing the back of your arms as you press your hands back. And last time to the other side. Come back to center and just bring your knee up a little bit. And if you want to, you can raise the knees more and bring your elbow to the knee if you wish. And then let's just reach across and tap it to the side. work on posture a little bit. Let's just go into a walk. Let's bring our arms forward, and then you're just gonna bring your elbows into here, and now just pull back and feel that in your upper back. Coming forward and pulling back. Last one. And then keeping the arms in this position, let's just go back into a step touch, and you're just gonna bring the hands up and down. So trying to keep those elbows about shoulder height and back down. So again, you should be feeling this in your back. When you press your hands back, press them as far back as you can. And last one. And now let's just bring one arm up and back down. So it's like you're trying to follow the wall. It's as if your back was against the wall and you're just raising that arm up. And I'll give you a break with your arms. Let's just punch forward. Now, if you ever want to make it harder, you can just do both arms at the same time. And let's go back into that walk, bring the arms up and pressing the arms together and pulling back. And let's go into that hamstring curl. So bring one foot up at the back and pressing those hands back for the triceps. So really make those triceps work here. Really squeeze or flex the back of your arms when your hands are straight or your arms are straight. And then bringing those arms up to the side, continuing to work on those triceps and the arms, just pressing the hands back. So for this one, let's have the arms here, and we're just gonna reach one arm up and then the other side. If you have issues with your shoulders, just reach forward instead. Or if you want to, you can do double arms. And then reaching in front again, so pressing and heel tap in front. And this time, let's just punch to the side and tapping out. Let's just do some more raised knees. And let's just step forward about 3 steps, and then you're just going back again. We'll do a bicep curl at the same time. And let's just stay in place. And let's work on those triceps again. So just stepping a foot behind, flexing those triceps. We are almost done. And this time, let's just reach in one direction, and then the other side, and continuing to reach. Last one. And just going back into a gentle walk. Let's bring the hands in front, just stretching the arms back and coming in front, switching the hands. Last one. Bring the shoulders back. And we did it. A nice short walk. Hopefully that has energized you, and maybe you'll want to do more, or maybe that's all you're doing today. Whatever it is that you're doing, thank you for joining me. I wish you a lovely day. Bye, everyone.